Okay, this is our sweater. We can use it, we can put it in the washing machine. I use hand wash for it, okay? Normally when you wash this sweater, or most sweater for that case, then you'll get a hanger because you don't want it to wring. You don't want your sweater to wring. So what we would do, we'd put our sweater on our hanger here, put it over the hanger, and then we'll hang it like this. We don't want to put it like this, put it all in. We don't want to put it like this, okay? We don't want to do that because if we do that, then we are going to stretch our sweater out. So what we do, we put the sweater on with the water, right? We put it on the hanger and we have it like this. This way we put this sweater to dry, all sweater. Because if you don't do this, if you hang it by the sleeve, then you're going to stretch them out. Once the water is in them, then they can stretch out. Okay, so we hang this up. Okay, as for our tights, we can put them delicate. Okay, we don't put them in our dryer, so we can hang these wherever. Okay, bathroom, and they are more. See, these are tights. We wash them. Okay. And we hang them. The shirt, this is a shirt, it's also polyester. So what we do, we wash them, but we do not dry them. Same thing with this one. See the material? They're all polyester. We wash them, but we do not put them in the dryer. So we're gonna hang them up to dry. This is also a jacket, I'm sorry. This is a jacket. We can wash this. Well, we put it to dry. We put it on the hanger. See? It's a jacket, right? This is also polyester. These are all polyester. See? All polyester. So what we do, we wash them, right? They're all delicate. All delicate. So we wash them and we all put them to dry. So these are all delicate stuff. Okay, so we wash them and then put them to dry. As for the socks, we have some socks here that we put in the white. We put them in the white, but because they're only socks, small item. If you don't have any white, just socks, then you could soak them up, spray them, and then you could get a bag like this, not a bag with anything on it, right? Because you don't want it to run. So you're gonna put them into a little bag, all soaked up, and your bleach in there, and you have this, and you can rest this anywhere, and it stay there and soak out all of those spots. Normally when you walk in the house, then you'll get your socks all messy and a lot of spots and everything and red. So we spray them and then we put them in the bag. We soak them up, put our little bleach on them. You could use a little container to soak them up into. And then we put them in here and then I'm gonna let the hair out. There you go. So we close it. So this way, we can put this anywhere in the bathroom, okay, or anywhere. It's convenient. It's small. It's a small item, but we can put all our socks, our white socks, and we all have them soaked, and then we can have nice, pretty white socks. Okay.